we have here is the silencer tool. Before you use the tool, let's go over a few tips. Open the tool and look for this nut here. That is your power level adjuster. Look for the numbers 1 through 4, 4 being the lower part of the power level, close the highest. It comes at a highest power level from the factory. Test your fastener before you finish installing the rest by setting to the correct power level. This will avoid overdriving the fastener and maintain the tool in good working condition. Load your strip loads and your fastener and test it out. If you need more power, just simply turn it clockwise to add more power. In the future, should the tool stop working due to a bad piston or a spring, open the tool, remove the front end of the tool, there's the front end of the tool, your reset spring, your piston, and your reset cup. These parts are available as a kit. Contact your dealer for spare part kit. Now we're going to put the tool back together. First the piston, your reset cup, the reset spring, and the front part of the tool. Now the tool is ready to install fasteners.